Have you ever found yourself with multiple profiles on Neon, maybe one for you, one for a family member, and then an old, unused one just lingering there? And you think, how do I get rid of that? Well, you're not alone. Many of us create different profiles for various reasons, shared accounts with housemates, profiles for kids, or even just test profiles we set up and then forgot about. But over time, these can clutter up your Neon experience, making it harder to find what you want or simply presenting an unnecessary choice every time you open the app. Maybe you've had a housemate move out and you no longer want their profile cluttering your account. Or perhaps your kids have grown up and no longer use their dedicated profile. Or maybe you just created a temporary profile to check something out and now it's just there. Whatever the reason, having extra, unneeded profiles can be a minor annoyance that adds up over time. It makes your Neon homepage less personalized and can even slow down your initial loading time as the app tries to recognize and present all those options. So, the question isn't just if you can delete a profile, but why you'd want to, and how easy it truly is. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on what deleting a profile actually means. When you delete a profile on Neon, you're essentially removing that specific viewing history, watch list, and personalized recommendations associated with that profile. It's like wiping the slate clean for that particular user within your Neon account. This is different from deleting your entire Neon account, which is a much bigger step and something you'd only do if you were canceling your subscription altogether. We're focusing on the simpler, more common task of tidying up your existing account by removing individual profiles. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The process of deleting a profile on Neon is actually quite straightforward, whether you're using a smart TV, a streaming device, or even the Neon app on your phone or tablet. The exact steps might have minor variations depending on your specific device, but the core navigation remains very similar across all platforms. First, you'll need to open the Neon app and navigate to the profile selection screen. This is usually the first thing you see when you open Neon, where all your profiles are displayed. If you're already logged into a profile, you'll need to go back to the profile selection screen. You can typically do this by going to the main menu, often represented by a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines, and looking for an option like Switch Profile or Manage Profiles. Once you're on the profile selection screen, look for an Edit or Manage Profiles button. This is often represented by a pencil icon or text that says Edit Profiles. Click or select this option. Now, you'll see all your profiles with the option to edit them. You should see a small X or a trash can icon next to each profile, or an edit button that leads to further options. Select the profile you wish to delete. A confirmation prompt will usually appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the profile. This is your last chance to back out if you've selected the wrong one. Confirm your selection, and just like that, the profile will be gone from your Neon account. It's a quick and painless process, designed to help you keep your streaming experience streamlined and personalized. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.